Sugar, a common ingredient in many foods. Did you know that the sugar we unknowingly consume is harming our bodies? There are many sugar substitutes in the market, such as maltitol, sugar allulose, and aspartame. Among them, allulose is considered the most stable and perfect sugar substitute. Especially, liquid allulose from Muhwadang allows you to enjoy it without worrying about calories and blood sugar. But what's the secret? Due to the molecular structure of allulose, it retains the properties of white sugar not being absorbed by the body, resulting in 0 calories. This means it does not affect blood sugar levels, making it the optimal choice for enjoying sweetness while maintaining health. Other sugar substitutes leave a unique artificial taste. However, allulose, which uses a small amount of D-cyclase from figs as a raw material, provides a natural sweetness almost identical to sugar. If you have to choose a substitute for health reasons, you can create a more luxurious taste with allulose. And it implements the same sweetness as sugar, so you can use it in a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, enjoy a healthy sweetness with Muhwadang's liquid allulose. There are many allulose products in the market. The biggest drawback is their thin viscosity. However, our liquid allulose has the same viscosity as syrup, making it easy to use in cooking and baking. In Japan, they enjoy sweet and salty food based on soy sauce. With the popularity of healthy diets using allulose in Japanese homes, Muhwadang's liquid allulose has even achieved the top sales for the first time among Korean products on Rakuten, Japan's largest online shopping mall. The popular powdered allulose product has been improved to a liquid form, expanding its usability. Now, enjoy both sweet taste and health with Muhwadang's liquid allulose. As an innovative sugar substitute, it will bring a healthy change to your daily life.